Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice pitch in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC and I'm going to add my video to the track and I'm going to change the... Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, if you want to change the voice pitch, we can go to the audio section or the audio menu right here, and you're gonna go to the voice changer, and here you'll be able to change your voice pitch with the voice effect or the voice changer. You can select low if you want to apply.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how
you can also select high. Just click on the high and customize the pitch and the timbre as well. And this is the result.
I'm going to show you how you can use pivot table in Microsoft Excel.
Alright guys, and that's all the way to change your voice pitch in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.